get away from the hustle and bustle and have fun falling in cold sugar. Let's sing and dance like a turtle in the puddle. I love my cold sugar.
Hello everyone.
Hello. Today, Aria, we are going to do another example of sequencing. Are you having fun with sequencing examples?
Yes.
Yes. So today, what instruction we are going to give to Infinity? We are going to ask him to do toothbrush.
Toothpaste.
Yes.
For him.
No, for himself.
Himself.
Yes. So he is going to do toothbrush. So let's see how he follows our instruction. Okay. So please call Infinity.
Infinity, come here.
Okay, Arya, you want me to come there?
Yes, come.
Okay. Yes, Arya, what do you want?
Today, Infinity, you need to do toothbrush.
Okay, please give me step-by-step instructions.
Infinity, take the brush.
Okay. Okay, I bring brush.
Infinity, this is not toothbrush.
You told me to bring brush, I bring brush. You supposed to tell me.
Give me. Infinity, get another brush. This is the comb.
Okay,
This is toothbrush.
okay. What do you want me to with this toothbrush?
We put the paste in it.
Okay, Arya, this is paste. You want me to put this paste on this?
No,
Why no? This is paste.
in the toothpaste.
Okay, you want me to bring toothpaste?
Yes.
Okay, Arya, here is toothpaste.
Stop. We need to make it wet.
Oh, okay. I have to make first it wet. Okay.
Stop, Infinity. It is wet already.
Stop.
How much wet I have to make it?
Enough wet.
Okay. Now what you want me to
You
do?
put the toothpaste.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, Arya, I put the toothpaste.
This is too much toothpaste you put.
Okay.
What are you doing, Infinity?
I have taken out toothpaste.
You could have washed off extra toothpaste.
You have never told me to wash it.
Okay. Always take little toothbrush, very little toothpaste, like
Yeah.
size of a pea.
Okay, size of a pea toothbrush.
Toothpaste.
Give me.
Yes, correct. Give it to Infinity now.
Okay, this was toothpaste I have to take. Now, what I have to do with this one?
Do the matcha of all the teeth.
Okay, I will do the massage of all the teeth.
Do the upper side of the teeth.
Okay, first I will do. Okay, upper side.
Now do the lower side of the teeth.
Okay, no, lower side.
You have done every teeth, inside, outside.
Yes, I have done all the teeth.
Now rinse your mouth. You have to do the toothpaste for 2 minutes.
Okay, for 2 minutes. Okay, done.
Now rinse your mouth with the water.
Okay, I am rinsing my mouth.
Infinity, stop.
I have to stop?
Yes. Infinity, now stop. Now turn out.
Okay. I have rinsed my mouth.
Infinity, this is the right process of doing the toothpaste and you should do it 2 times at least. 1 time in the morning, 1 time before going bed. Do you understand?
Yes, madam. Arya, you also have to do toothpaste always daily.
Okay, now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make it work, make it right, make it fast with the cold sugar fly.